Welcome to my channel where Scally Repa breaks down on life as Mark reveals death of beloved dog Chibi. Viewers in this emotional moment on life with Callie and Mark. Callie Repa and Mark reveal the heartbreaking news of passing of their dog Chibi with tears in their eyes. The couple recalls their deep bond with Chibi, a 17-year-old family pet who had been part of their lives for years. And yes, it was an emotional moment. Check out, guys, it is a must watch moment.